What is going on, guys? It is your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with a quick update. We have got the S9 almost up and running. We're going to finish it up right here, right now. And remember, we are using BraiinsOS to do this. So if you don't have it, we'll have links right down below. Depending upon your S9 variant, of course, because mine is a bit older, I cannot install to the NAND of mine personally. So we have to run from the SD card, which is perfectly fine. So real fast, we're going to head out there and get it up and running. So yeah, let's go. Panda, see you. All right, guys, let's go. The suction on this door. Oh, S9. Freedom Bird. Alright, so yay for new microphone. Alright. So we got it. Everything's plugged in. We're good to go. Now we should be good and gravy. Just plug her in. Brand new BraiinsOS, no longer our old settings, so we'll have to fix that. Next is you. Now, we have that up and running. Remember, root, pretty self-explanatory, non-existent users. We are back into a stock S9 configuration. Well, stock Brains anyway. Since we lost our SD card upon it ejecto seating itself, and apparently the well house trolls ate it, so don't know where it went. Cleaned the well house out, and it just does not exist. So no tuner is running. I know that for a fact. I would prefer to be sitting at power target. We will do the 950 range, and that is where we will start back out our testing of redoing everything. Granted, we still got to add pools. Not using slush pools, so we're actually going to use Unminable, and we're going to use Unminable's Bitcoin address and or Bitcoin pool, but we're still going to mine Bitcoin on their Bitcoin pool. So and I did talk with them, and they did confirm that when you're mining Bitcoin or their SHA-256 pool, you're actually supporting the Bitcoin network. So you're mining to an actual pool, a Bitcoin pool. You're not mining whatever's most profitable. It's like BCH or anything like that. You're physically mining the Bizzity bit. So I found that really cool. Well, let's grab all that information real fast. Alright, so we are here on their pool. They have a standard 1% fee, so you're paying like 2% since we're using BraiinsOS. Alright, so we'll copy their SHA-256 configuration. Leave their stratum plus TCP, and we will add that. Yes, we know it's unsupported protocol. It's okay. We add those, and then don't forget our ports, which is gonna be 3333. I like how it reverted that. V SHA-256 3333. All right. Now, all right, that should stay the same. Now remember, we're specifying what we're mining for, which we're going to mine for BTC. So you just add BTC, and then we will copy our address. So that done, we'll head to the dashboard real fast. we'll give it a quick action, and we're gonna reboot the device. Actually, we'll just start. We should be able to restart the miner. Yeah, we'll just restart the miner real fast. That way it can apply our settings as well as the voltage setting, which it just did right there. And now you can see we have our wattage setting at 950. Now remember, we have 2 hashing boards in here, so if you divide that by 3, it's 316 watts, and we'll retimes that by 2, so we should be pushing around 633 watts out of this S9 because we only have 2 hashing boards in. All right, so regardless of what the usage says right here, which is almost accurate, you got to account for the fans and everything else. So this is what its target should be at, roughly, right? Granted, per the calculator, this can change variably. Usually I'm trying the 950 here, but normally we ran the 975 for 79 watts per terahash. We were getting 690 watts at the meter, but it was saying 673 watts via software. So I assume we will sit around 600 and probably 630, 650 watts. It's kind of where I'm hoping for. And then on the metered watts. So, or no, we should go even less than that, or more than that, sorry. Maybe 680, something like that. We shall see. Of course, it takes time for the tuning to like average out. It's got to go through all of the chips all over again, and that will take hours. But nonetheless, it is up and running. So quick update on that is now we're back up and hashing on the S9. Now all we got to do left is do the S19J Pro, try that out before we first we're going to try out the stock software, then we'll try out Braiins, then we're going to try out ASIC.to, then we're going to change the hashing or the control board to the Epic control board. So tons of testing coming out for the S19J Pro. We'll have more coming out for that here shortly, but make sure, guys, before you leave, hit the like, subscribe, and that bell notification, and let me know how the audio sounds in the clip from us out in the well house, because we are using the new wireless Holly mic setup for the phone cam, so we can actually get good audio when we're out videoing. I got it clipped on right here, and it does great for out there. I'm currently using my Yeti right now, so this is not this, but let me know. You'll see in the clip of me out in the well house. Let me know how the audio sounds. I think it sounds pretty FA. We'll see y'all next time, guys. Much love. Peace out. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. We'll see y'all next time.